Let's go, everyone. Today we're opening the Echo Dot. Add Alexa to any room. Let's see, this actually came with a smart microwave I got, and I haven't opened it yet, so wanted to show you all this unboxing video. So it has Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, microphone on, off button. It's the Echo Dot. Adds Alexa to any room, designed around your voice control music throughout your home, and control your smart home hands-free. Let's see, ton of apps and companies that they collaborate with. And yeah, pretty small packaging. Echo Dot looks pretty small. I've seen it in stores. Now it's time to see my own in real life. Pull this tab. All right. Open this up. Oh, cool. Amazon logo, not printed on, kind of transparent. Okay. Let's take out the Echo Dot. So put some plastic around it to protect it. I think this is the charcoal color, but I'm not 100% sure. I forgot. Let's see, looks like, I think power connector, and looks like a headphone jack maybe? It's pretty interesting texture around the sides. Top view. Looks like you could turn off the mic, turn the volume up and down. And that's the Echo Dot. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, things to try, things you can do with Echo Dot. Set this aside. The manual. Oh, okay, so this is the power port, and yeah, it is an auxiliary audio output. Okay. Here's the manual. Let me scroll through this real quick. How to set up the Echo Dot with the Alexa app. Optional. Oh, optional. You can connect it to an external speaker. That's cool. And just quick start guide. Product information, product specs, FCC compliance. Nothing out of the ordinary. Set that aside. Anything else? Oh, charging cable. Let's see, pull this up. Okay. Charging brick. Oh, white on this side. That's interesting choice of color. I thought it'd be all black. Amazon. Let's pull this off. Definitely looks long enough, no problem. And the power connector, pretty standard, nothing too exciting here, but yeah, there you have it, everyone. Echo Dot unboxing video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.